Nice. Oh yeah. I want a burrito, but like the tortillas are so high in calories, and I'm trying to eat healthier. So I don't know.
How about a bowl then?
Okay, perfect. So I'll have beans, rice, steak, ton of sour cream. Oh, and a lot of cheese. More cheese. More. More. And queso.
Is that it?
Oh, can I also get approximately 2 tortillas worth of chips? Since I'm eating healthy, I might as well treat myself. You go, Denise. Every Chipotle ever.
Can I get beans on there?
Black or pinto?
What's the difference?
You tell me.
I mean, come on, like, beans are beans, right?
I don't know. Are they?
I don't know.
I think you do. So black or pinto?
Pinto!
Okay. Wow.
What?
Nothing.
Wow, dude. Okay, fine. Whatever. You put rice on that too?
White or brown?
I have a mushroom.
You want a quesadilla? It'll be ready in 2 days. Rice? No, I'm good on rice, thank you.
Toppings?
Yeah, mild salsa and, you know what, can I actually get the rice, please?
Were you not offered rice earlier?
No, I asked him. He said no.
Sir, you said no.
Yeah, but I changed my mind.
Sir, this is the toppings portion of the assembly. The rice is over in the bases.
Back over to the rice?
I'm assigned toppings today, so no.
Okay, can you hand him the burrito?
No, the burritos can only travel in one swift direction.
It's right there.
Sir, I don't know how they do things at H&R Block or wherever chaotic hole you work, but here at Chipotle, we have strict rules and regulations. You got it?
Yeah, and you're trying to bully us into violating the rules? Where the hell can we? Yes.
Okay, fine.
Horse crap.
Sure. Excuse me?
Yeah, what's up? Sofritas is Spanish for ain't no meat in this.
Oh, I told you I can't eat anything here. The burritos are too big and they make my belly all bloated.
Why can't we just do something I want to do?
Because everything you like to do sucks ass. Okay, look, I'm sorry for going off on you in this restaurant, but just being honest.
You know what? I will be right back. One burrito, please.
Why do I have a bouncy ball? I don't want to.
We go now.
I ordered the burrito and I just used the tip that you touched. Yeah, that's my cool
Oh, I think I'm actually good on
What
it.
kind of up down is this?
Yeah, it's wrapping up a burrito. How hard is
Not
it
my
gonna
house. It's not like grandparents up down. Back in the day, we used to cuss and play mad. Now we're gonna play mad for profanity.
Okay, then you pick it up and we're good. We know that now.
I don't know how. I thought I was.
Hey, chill, let's chill. Let's just fold it as best we can. Damn it. Fold this up, tuck it in like that, flip it over. No, that'll never work. So we're gonna tuck it. Ah! Failure. Disgusting.
Number one contender.
Selfishness.
Raleigh.
Oh, quitting time.
I'm shocked.
Sorry, we're out of grilled veggies. We always have been, and we always will be.
What's with all the writing on the cups?
I don't know. I never actually read it.
Hey, you. Did you know that Chipotle's cup artists are all indentured servants paid weekly in burritos? There were 6 of us, each one kidnapped and taken to a lighthouse by rowboat under the light of the full moon, kept under lock and key and hidden from the world. Of the original 6, 4 have perished from the E. coli and the lettuce, but that's not why I'm writing this. I miss my wife. Her name is Sarah Reinerson. If you know her, please tell Sarah that I love her. I need her to know that I didn't leave, and I promise I'll find the video.
Wow, that is such overkill.
Totally. margarita here?
Salsa?
Yeah, salsa's free, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then I would like the avocado salsa.
The guacamole is extra.
I thought you said salsa was free.
Yeah, but guacamole is guacamole and it's extra.
Oh, okay. Well, how about this? Can you give me a whole avocado because that's basically a vegetable, which we all know is free, and then you give me some salsa and I do all the hard work?
No.
Okay, hear me out. How about you hold on to the cheese and sour cream because I know those are your big ticket items, and although I'm entitled to them, I will let you keep them. You give me some guacamole and a little bit of extra meat for my trouble, and then you get to sell that cheese. I get to get my guacamole, and then your corporate overlords are none the wiser.
I'm going on break.
Excuse me, sir. Can I interest you in buying some guacamole and then giving me
The Cheeserito is a real thing and it's on the secret menu. Order it.
Hey, yeah, I would like one tortilla, please.
Oh my god. I'm sorry. She would like una tortilla. We're here. This is a Taco Bell, okay? This is an authentic Mexican experience, alright? Just let me get back. Sí. Yo would like muy grande burrito con carnitas y frijoles.
Dude, I don't know what you're saying.
He wants one of those meat wraps that has like the little black potatoes and the spicy ketchup.
Oh, yeah. I can do that for sure. I can definitely be that guy for you.
None of you have culture, apparently.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Can I get a mustard?
Almost went inside here.
Okay, can I get a hot Italian sub?
You got another dead guy.
I'm not dead yet.
He's gonna be dead soon.
Potato time.
Is that bathrooms?
Dad? Oh my god. I thought you died.
I did.
What?
They put a new brain.
Really improv yourself into a hole that time, eh, buddy? Thank you guys so much for watching every Chipotle ever.